recipe. This recipe is called butter chicken pasta, and this is so nice and delightful, and it's mouth-watering. So let's begin with our ingredients. Half kg boneless chicken, 1 teaspoon chili powder, salt 1 teaspoon, vinegar 1 tablespoon,
chili sauce,
hot sauce 1 tablespoon. And now we'll add our ingredients and marinate our chicken. There's our red chili, our salt, our vinegar, and hot sauce. Time for mixing. Mix it well and marinate it for 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, we are boiling our pasta. 300 grams of pasta. These are the ingredients for our butter chicken gravy. 3 big size tomato, 1 medium size onion, 3 to 4 garlic clove, salt to taste, garam masala 2 teaspoon, water half cup. We will add oil 2 tablespoon in our pan with butter 1 tablespoon. And let the butter melt. And now we will add our onion, our tomato, our garlic, our garam masala, salt to taste. Mix it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will add our water. Cook it for 10 minutes so the vegetable can get soft. Our vegetables are soft. Now we will grind them. The smell is so nice. Now we will make our chicken. Again, we will put oil and 1 teaspoon of butter. And now we'll put our chicken and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, ये cook हो गई है. It is perfectly done and it smells so nice, as you can see. And now we will put it separately. Now we will put it separately. Again, we will put butter, 1 tablespoon. And now we'll put our vegetable gravy that we have grind. And now we'll add half cup of water. Dry methi leaves 1 tablespoon. It is really necessary, so add it. Now we will add half cup cream. Cook it for 2 minutes. And now we will add our trusty old chicken-o. Now we will add our pasta. And now we will mix it. Mix, mix, mama, 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 mix. Doritos, Doritos, mixo. Mix it gently. And now it is my favorite time of the video, testing time. And now let me test it so I can know what is the taste. Now we will test it. Bismillah. Full of butter with yummy and yummy pasta. I love it. So guys, subscribe my channel, leave a like, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And bye.